Students, welcome to Himani Coaching Center. We are committed to simplify concepts and amplify confidence of our students in the subjects of maths, physics, and chemistry so that students love the subject and do well in their exams. Today, we are going to do MCQs from chapter number 1 of Physics ICSE 10th, which is Moment of Force. So, let us look at question number 1. It says a mechanic can open a nut by applying 120 Newton force while using a lever of 50 centimeter length. How long should the handle be if he wishes to open it by applying a force of only 40 Newton? So understand, if we have done the concept, then we know moment of force is what? It is force times perpendicular distance of the pivot from the direction of force. So here in case 1 we are given a force of 120 Newton. So let us find moment of force. So that would be 120 times the length is given in 50 centimeter. We can divide it by 100. So 50 by 100 is 1 by 2. So we will get 60 Newton meter as the moment of force required. Now, the question is, if mechanic wants to apply lesser force, what should be the length of the uh, lever? So now understand, moment of force will remain same, and this is 40 times d, which is equal to 60. So d would be equal to what? 60 upon 40, or you can see it is 3 by 2. So the right option is option D. Okay. So this is how we do this particular question. Just remember that you can actually apply the knowledge and do it faster also. I am doing it in this way because I need to teach you the concept, and just ensure that you are changing the units to SI unit for correct calculation. Now let us look at the second question. It says the diagram alongside shows a force of F 5 Newton acting at point A, and it produces a moment of force of 6 Newton meter about point O. Now understand, this is the point O which is fixed, and the perpendicular distance between this point and line of action of force is OA, which is the radius. Okay. So we can find the radius by doing what? F, which is 5, times OA, which is the radius, and it is equal to 6. So that will give us OA equals 6 by 5, correct? And which is the radius. Just keep that thing in mind because we are asked the diameter. So you double it and you get the answer as 2.4. So 2.4 is the correct answer. Okay. So, if you are watching the video for the first time and have yet not subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe to the channel, like the video, press the bell icon, share the video with your friends. Also, students who are going to watch this video till the end and in the comments they give me their mail ID, I will share the complete MCQ of this chapter with all of you. Okay, so that is a gift from my side. So do watch the videos for nice surprises henceforward also. Now let us look at the next question. It says calculate the force which will produce a moment of force of 1575 dyne centimeter when the perpendicular distance between the point of application of force and turning point is 45 centimeter. Here everything is given to us in CGS system of units, so nothing, there is no need to change anything. So we are supposed to find the force, which obviously should be in dyne. So force times 45, which is the distance, is equal to moment of force, which is 1575 So the force is going to be 1575 divided by 45. Okay. Now, if you guys want to do, you can do this. 5 threes are 15, 5 ones are 5s are, and this is 9. 9 threes are 27, and we get 35 dyne as the answer. Now, question number 4, the center of gravity of a cricket ball. Now, the shape of a cricket ball is a sphere, and for a sphere, the center of gravity is its geometric center. So, very easy question. Now, we are asked to calculate the length of the arm of couple if a force of 13 Newton produces a couple of 14.3 Newton meter. Simple question. We are given force 13. We are asked length of the couple D, and this is 14.3. So D would be what? It would be 14.3 divided by 13. You can divide it by 13. 13 ones are 13 and 13 ones are 13 again. Yeah, because 3 will come. So 1.1 meter is the answer. Now question number 6 says the gate of a building is 3 meter broad. It can be opened by applying 100 Newton force at the middle of the gate. Middle of the gate means what? The length would be 1.5 meters because the gate is 3 meter broad. Calculate the least force required to open the gate. Now understand in this chapter, when do we apply the least force? When the length from the point of application of force is the maximum. So if the gate is 6 meter long, at a point of 6 meter it says, so if the gate is 6 meter long, so where will we apply the force here? Okay. Now the force would be applied at a point of 6 meter only. Okay. So let us do this. The gate of a building is 3 meter broad. I think there is a misprint in this question. Let us correct it because it has to be a 6 meter broad gate. Then only this question would be correct. So this is a misprint. So the halfway would be 3 meter. Now let us figure out the moment of force when the length is 3 meter. So 3 into 100, which is the moment of force, which should be equal to 6 into F, which we need. Okay. So you can see that if I solve, this would be what? 300 divided by 6, and which is 50 Newton. Do we have that answer? Yes. Okay. Now, a body describing a uniform circular motion, which of the following quantities is our constant? So, remember in a uniform circular motion, speed is constant. Okay, so speed is constant. Velocity will be different. Why? Because the direction is changing continuously. If velocity is changing, acceleration will also change. Okay, now let us look at question number 8. It says two forces F1 and F2 are applied on a circular body such that movement of couple is 9 Newton meter in clockwise direction. Calculate the radius of circular body. Now whenever we are given a couple, so couple is what? See, if you join this straight line, so couple is what? F into D, where D is the diameter. So we can find D and just half it to get the answer for our radius, because they have asked the radius. So let us do that. So what will you get? So we have 9 Newton meter, which is equal to 15 times D. So D is equal to 9 over 15, and this all is in meters. Okay. So we will have 3s are 5s are 0.6 meter. Multiply that with 100 because the choice is given in centimeters. So it is 60 centimeter is the diameter. Half of that, 30 centimeter, is the answer. Okay. Now the next question is checking our ability to understand the concept. So it says the point of action of a force on a rigid body. So if you look at, option A, it says fixed point on a rigid body, and then it says fixed point but can be transferred anywhere opposite to the direction of force. Fixed point but can be transferred anywhere along the direction of force. Fixed point but can be transferred anywhere along the line of action of force. Okay. Now, if you have read the uh, concept, you will know that, let us draw, I mean, I'll just draw this. Let us say this is a body which is fixed here, pivoted here, and force is applied in this direction. So what is the line of action of force? It is this. And what do we have? This point, it's perpendicular. Now, can I put this fixed point here? Yes, as long as it is perpendicular to the direction of force. Okay, so fixed point, and it can be transferred anywhere along the direction of force. Can I do like this? Yes. Okay, can I do like this? Yes. So that is our answer. Okay, now question number 10 is, just a second, I will need to erase this point. Give me a second. Yeah. Now let us look at our question number 10th question, which is the last one. Study the diagram alongside, calculate the moment of couple. So see, again, what is a couple? Two equal and parallel forces not acting along the same line produce a couple. Here you can see F1, 5 Newton going in this direction, F2 in this direction. Are they parallel? Yes. So what is the couple here? 5 into 1.2. You can just do this and you will get your answer as 6 Newton meter. Okay. Again, so with this, I will end the session here. Again, if you guys want to be, getting the alerts for the new videos, which I am going to make almost every day now, because we are committed to simplify concepts and amplify confidence for the students who are watching the videos, so that they start falling in love with physics, chemistry, and maths and do well in their exam. Again, as I said earlier, if you guys have watched the video till now and you want the complete copy of MCQs along with the solution, write your email ID, give your comments whether you liked it or not, and write your email ID. I will share the PDFs with you. Thank you.